Hello and welcome, and today I'm going to show you some acupressure points to significantly reduce menstrual headaches. With these pressure points, you should subside it almost completely within 10 minutes. Please subscribe and hit the bell so that you can silence your period symptoms and help take back control over your own body. If we haven't met, my name is Kyla Plaxton. I have transformed my period from symptoms to my superpower. I'm the author of Little Women's Guide to Personal Power, a book for girls and their periods. I've been an acupressurist for 20 years and I love coaching women. All right, let's begin. So first, just a couple reminders and tips on how to effectively hold acupressure points. So one of the things is they're often bilateral, unless I say otherwise, but which means they're on both sides of the body. So if it's on one side of the shoulder, it's on the other side of the shoulder. The other thing is you want to be really still. This isn't a massage. And what's really powerful is when you find the point, you have to move around to find it, but then when you find it, you want to hold it. And take a nice deep breath. And as you inhale and you're letting go, exhaling, you're letting go of that energy and it's starting to move things. So I suggest pausing the video in between finding pressure points and just taking that time to breathe with your points. Give yourself, 3, 4 really deep breaths and start to tune into your body. One other thing is for pressure strength, you want to press hard enough that it's pressing into the point and you can feel it, but not so hard that your body is reacting like a defensively and wanting to get away. So it's a bit of a hurt so good feeling. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so this first one is you're gonna find it right at, we're gonna start on the shoulders. I was gonna start somewhere else, so how you find it on the shoulders is you wanna go 3 fingers out from the base of the neck. So imagine your shoulders are just flat and you can put your fingers your hands 3 from each side, and then on the 3rd finger, that's where the pressure point is. And this one's right at the very top. It's a little bit hard to do it like this. You can do like this, or I would just recommend for this one doing one side at a time. And you want to push it directly down towards your bum, okay? And follow the tips below I just gave you. Pause this video and push your pressure points. All right, so this next pressure point is right up in the neck. And these work really great together, actually. Well, all of these do, which is why they're together. But this one here, I'm just gonna show you more in the picture, but you can hold it up like this, and then you can really see in the picture where you go into the knot. So you come down, one way to find it is like you go up the spine, up into the center knot at the base, or notch at the base of the spine, and then, or the head at the top of the spine, and then go over the lumps, the muscle lumps there, and then there's 2 other notches. And these are your next points, and you're gonna push in toward the opposite eye. These acupressure points are super powerful, especially, the last one was a lot about holding on to responsibility, burden, that sort of thing. So you might have had a bit of an emotional release. This one up in the neck is really about calming the mind, really overthinking, lots of decisions, being the one who always has to make decisions, that sort of thing. So a lot of headaches and just mind stuff can get stuck here if you have a hard time sleeping or worrying, that sort of stuff. Okay, so again, not too hard, just enough that it feels really good, but you don't have to defense it. We want to be able to just melt into it. Push that. Okay, pause this video and enjoy your pressure points. So I'm just really curious if you're finding them okay. Just let me know in the comments below. You can give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, or a yes I am, or no I'm not. I don't know how this is working. And I have a great gift for you at the end that will also help support you. Okay, so the last one in this series is right in the face here. So if you go in your eyebrow, and I don't know if you noticed, so I have a scar here, and I had a cancer tumor removed from my nose, and they rebuilt it from my forehead. So if you see the scarring, that's what that is. But above your eyebrow, you go 1 finger up, and then there's like a little notch thingy indent there. And you want to push a lot lighter on the face. The face isn't covered with a bunch of muscle or defensiveness, and so you can be light, so you can push in, you know, a little bit so that you can feel it, and then just try to breathe and let go. Relax your shoulders, try to relax your body while you're holding and you're breathing. And then that's it, that you're done. And I highly recommend, you know, doing it a couple times a day just to keep that energy moving. And have a bath with some Epsom salts. That'll really help ground in this energy. So you're kind of stirring it up and then smoothing it down. Awesome. So if you like this, I have a free class for you that you can sign up below. You can do it anytime. It's 30 minutes long. It's about unlocking the menstrual code, so you can use my technology that I've used to heal all my symptoms, and I'm going to give it to you for free, and you can start to apply it right away. So if that interests you, just hit that link. I'll see you in there. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Rate it, share it. You know, that's what we do with each other. We share things at work. So I really hope to help you, and that you can share it with somebody, a woman that you care about, and help her with her menstrual migraines. I will see you next time.